Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be focusing on solving equations. So let's get right into solving equations with variables on both sides. In the middle there, I have some guidance that we're going to be using for this exercise. So let's have a look and see exactly what we would need to be doing. So firstly, we can see here that we're going to start by removing the variable, the smaller variable. So let's look at that. So when we compare the 3D with the 6D, 3D is smaller. So we're going to be taking that away. So we're going to be subtracting 3D from both sides. And then opposites are going to cancel. So we're going to cancel these. So we're left with minus 4 is equal to 6D take away 3D is just going to leave us with 3D. Take away that 10. And the second step here is which side is the variable now on. So the variable is now on the right hand side. So since the variable is now on the right hand side, we're now going to be bringing the constants or the numbers to the other side. So we have a minus 10 there, so we're going to be adding 10 to both sides. We're going to be simplifying again, and if we simplify again, we're going to have minus 4 plus 10, which is going to give us 6. So we have 6 is equal to 3D, and we have opposites, and opposites again will cancel. So now we're looking for 1D, therefore we're going to be dividing both sides there by 3 and dividing the left hand side there by 3. So 6 divided by 3 would give us 2. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So once again, the first thing that we're going to do, we are going to start by removing the smaller variable. So we're looking for 3h plus 4 is equal to 8h minus 6. So we would need to remove the smaller variable. So 3h is smaller than 8h. So we're going to be taking 3h from both sides. And try to always make sure that these are under the same values. Okay. So opposites are going to cancel. So we are left with 4 is equal to 5h take away 6. And then we are asking ourselves, which side is the variable on? Which side is the variable on? Variable is now on the right hand side, so the number must go to the left hand side. So we are going to be doing the opposite of taking away 6, which is to add 6. And again, opposites will cancel. So now we have 4 plus 6, which is going to give us 10, and 10 is equal to 5h. So keep in mind, we're searching for only one of the variable, so we are looking for 1h. Therefore, we're going to be dividing both sides by 5. And 10 divided by 5 would be equal to 2. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. I think we're doing very well there. So again, the first thing that we're going to be doing is to remove the smaller variable first. Okay, so we're going to be comparing 3x and 5x. 3x is smaller, so we're going to be taking away 3x from the right and taking away 3x from the left hand side. We know that we're going to remove the smaller variable first, and opposites will cancel. So now we have 5x take away 3x, which is going to leave us with 2x. So 2x plus 10 is equal to a positive 6. Now we're going to be looking at which side the variable is on. The variable is now on the left hand side. Therefore, we're going to remove that 10, bringing it to the other side. So to do that, we're going to take away 10 from both sides, and opposites again will cancel. So now we have 2x is going to be equal to 6 take away 10, which is going to become minus 4. So keep in mind, we're only searching for one of the variable, so we're going to be getting a 1x there. So we're going to be dividing both sides by 2 and dividing the right hand side there by 2. So this is a negative divided by a positive. Negative divided by a positive will be a negative. Once the two signs are different, we get a negative. And 4 divided by 2 is just going to be 2. And that would be our final answer. And for the very last one here, we have solving this equation. So again, the first thing that we would like to do is to remove the smaller variable first. So now we have 3c compared to 6c. 3c is smaller, so we're going to be taking away 3c from both sides. And therefore, we're going to be removing and eliminating the 3c there. So opposite will cancel. Now we have 6c take away 3c, which is going to leave us with 3c plus 8 comes back equals, and then this is a plus 2. Second thing that we do is, which side is the variable now on? The variable is now going to be on the left hand side. So therefore we need to move this 8 to the right hand side by subtracting 8 from both sides. Opposites are going to cancel. So now we have on the left hand side there we have 3c is equal to 2 take away 8. 2 take away 8 is negative 6. And we're searching for only one of the variable. So we're searching for 1c. So we're going to be dividing both sides there by 3. Dividing this side by 3. And again, we have a negative divided by a positive, negative divided by a positive. Please be careful there. Once we have two different signs, we're going to get a negative. And now we have 6 divided by 3, which is going to give us a 2. So our answer there would have been negative 2. Okay, I hope that this video has been helpful to you. And I would like for you to like, comment, and share on the video and subscribe to my channel so that we can continue making more content to suit you. Have a lovely one. All the very best.